Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with a skillet, starting with its incredible versatility. Skillets, whether they are cast iron or stainless steel, are essential for many dishes. They allow you to sear, sauté, and pan-fry a wide variety of foods with consistent results. Understanding your skillet's material helps you prepare it correctly for cooking. We will cover the foundational steps to ensure your cooking experience is successful and enjoyable. Achieving the perfect sear or sauté begins with correct preheating. Place your skillet over medium to medium-high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes before adding any oil. Once hot, add just 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Watch for a gentle shimmer or a very slight wisp of smoke. This indicates your skillet is ready to cook your food effectively. Temperature control is crucial for successful skillet cooking. Begin with a medium-high heat for searing proteins, then often reduce it to medium or medium-low for slower, more thorough cooking. If food browns too quickly, lower the heat by 1 or 2 notches. Conversely, if it is not cooking fast enough, increase the heat slightly. Proper heat management prevents uneven cooking and burnt surfaces, ensuring delicious results every time. 2 fundamental techniques are searing and pan-frying. For searing, ensure your skillet is very hot, add a light coat of oil, and place your food without overcrowding, letting it cook undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a deep crust. Pan-frying uses more oil and typically a lower heat to cook foods through, like a perfectly crisp chicken cutlet. These techniques are cornerstones of skillet cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.